Hi everyone. So this is an example of the resource bag you would be getting on a weekly basis for summer camp from Willow Children's Nursery. This year's summer camp theme is World Explorers. When you sign up for our virtual nursery, you'll get a weekly resource bag containing planning and activities for the whole week. The instructions of the activities along with the video will be on EduCore. As you can see here, the theme for week 1 of camp is a land before time. We've put together supplies to make things like a dinosaur habitat, decorate dinosaur eggs, make your own dinosaur fossils, and much more. Our eco-friendly bags can be collected every Thursday from the nursery. Each week, the resources in the bags would change up depending on the theme for that week. Each week, you'll discover some fun supplies in the bag to keep your child engaged in productive, hands-on activities. These activities are designed to stimulate imagination and support creativity. All our planning is based on the EYFS curriculum and inspired by Reggio Emilia. Each activity will also have the learning outcomes linked with it so that you know what area of learning is supported through that specific activity. Most activities will require simple household items as shown here. Most importantly, remember to have fun and get messy. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.